Veronica.
Does he have any teeth yet?
Okay, did you got one?
Top one's just on any day now.
Uh-oh, where'd it go, Zay?
Between the bottom ones and the top ones coming. Seems like forever.
Oh! Hold on, please. A little bit more.
Because he's looking at the rug now. He turned over to look for that thing that he threw.
Hi. Oh, work yourself up. There you go. You got it. Yay. It's a lot of work, doesn't it, McKenna? Hi. You hear someone behind you, McKenna? Over here.
Hey, Zay.
Whoa, good spinning. You should have seen when we were going around the block, McKenna's car had like real wheel tires, and he kept like, I go, we got an engineer there. He was like, oh, these tires are going around. I got.
Ha here comes Zay. Here he comes. Here comes Zay.
You're good about sharing, McKenna. I have some kids their age that like will not let.
Oh, my friend,
Yeah.
son,
Touch their
2 months older than Zay, had a fit about him touching
any of his things, yeah. Maybe
pushed
it's
him
because
over.
she has Kylie.
I was gonna say, Kylie.
Kylie pretty much takes everything away from her.
It's like, oh, you're playing with that? Well, I think I'm gonna check it out now. You know, it's totally geared for someone way younger than me.
Oh.
But it goes both ways. McKenna plays with Kylie's stuff too.
Yeah. That's the way to beat the drum. Stuck on the bottom, and you hit the side. Be careful. Never really does that part of it so much, but we would line those balls up in the cracks in the couch that the computer and Peggy are sitting at. Not now. And then she would stand against the couch and get the balls and walk back and forth on the couch here.
Zay.
The little balls.
Zay.